Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fit these LED bulbs in the fog lights. If you remember from the last video, we found a problem with the plus and minus being the wrong way around, so I found a solution where you can buy these plugs from eBay to actually fit on your existing wiring loom, because I didn't want to cut the existing wiring loom, so bought these connectors and these to actually fit onto these bulbs so that we can swap the plus and minus over to get these to work. So what I'll do is put the terminations on and then test it with the fog lights to determine which is the plus and minus. So in reality, the black could be the plus and the red could be the minus, or if this is wired up correctly, we should be able to just plug in the red to the red and black to the black. So what I'm going to do now is put these terminals on before we go out to the car. So just put these to one side. So I'm going to put these terminals on. I'm not going to explain how to put these terminals on, as there's plenty of videos on YouTube on crimping. So I'm just going to go ahead and crimp them together. So put these on. That's one done. And that's that one. Right, I've got these crimped up. So what I'm going to do is just put some insulation tape around it to make it into a nice loom, and then we'll go outside and fit them on. So I'll just do this off camera. Right, we're outside to the car, so we need to determine which is the plus and which is the negative. To do that, we've got the digital multimeter. So as soon as I put these prongs into the connector, that should read. So I'm going to put that in. There we go, we've got 10 volts. So now I know that the green and white is the positive and the black is negative. So right, I've got my connector. If you notice, in there you normally find a lug. That one hasn't, so I can swap this around any way I want to. So all I'm going to do with these is slot them in there like so. Like so. And then plug this in. So that hasn't worked, so unplug it, plug it in. There we go, it's working. So now I'm going to Put it back into its casing. Turn it's on. Put that in there. Put the screws back in. Remember not to do it too tight. It's only plastic, don't need to be that tight, it's just to hold them in place. Test it one more time. So that's in. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll have a complete shot in the dark. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share.